We are now going to finish the top area using Surface High-Speed Spiral. Surface High-Speed Finish Spiral toolpath creates cutting passes where the tool feeds into the part in a continuous spiral. The spacing between each pass is a 2D distance measured in the XY plane, so this toolpath type works best on shallow parts whose features can be effectively machined with circular motion. To avoid machining the pockets, we will use Rotate command to create the rest of the boundaries. Come up to the top and select X-Form. Scroll down and select Rotate here. Mastercam asks us to select entities we wish to rotate. Come over to the side and select QM Splines. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Over on the left-hand side, the Rotate dialog box will appear. We are going to copy and move it 7 times on an angle of 45 degrees and hit Enter on our keyboard. You'll notice that there is now a curve at the top of each of the pockets. Select OK when done and clear your colors. Highlight folder number 1, or the Surface High Speed Area Roughing, and make sure it is the only folder highlighted. Also, make sure your red insert arrow is below stock model, or number 5. Right-click, select Copy, come down to this white space here, right-click, and paste the operation. You should have folder number 6 here. Select Parameters. We are going to make sure that it is no longer roughing and is a finishing operation, and we're going to select Spiral. Also, we're going to select on the containment boundary here. Below chain number 1, we're going to right-click and select Add Chain. We're going to chain the top of each of the pockets here. Once we have this done, we'll select OK. And we'll select OK once more. Come over to the left-hand side and select Tool. Select Library Tool and Filter. We want to make sure that we have the ball end mill selected, and we're going to make a tool diameter equal to 1/4. Once we have this, select OK. And grab tool 307 and select OK once more. From here, we're going to go ahead and change the comment to Finish Top of the Part. Once we have our comment in place, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Parameters. In Cut Parameters, we're going to adjust the passes step over to 0.01. We're going to make sure that outer radius is turned on and spiral clockwise is also turned on. We're going to adjust the outer radius value to 1.9. Come over to the right-hand side and the percentage of tool diameter should be 1000. Also, we want to take stock off walls and floors, so make these 0 as well. Once you have this completed, come over to the left-hand side and select Tool Containment. Compensate to outside, and we're going to make sure that the offset distance is set to 0.04 and hit Enter on our keyboard. Again, on the left-hand side, select Transitions. Make sure that Smooth is selected. Smooth creates true high-speed arc moves between each pass. On the left-hand side, select Steep Shallow. In Steep Shallow, we're going to turn on Z depth and make sure the minimum depth is 0 and the maximum depth is going to be -0.4 and hit Enter on our keyboard. Come over to the left-hand side and select Linking Parameters. In Linking Parameters, we need to make sure that these values align to that of our training tutorial. When you are happy with this, select OK. And select Regenerate. From here, you should see your toolpath created. Come up to the top and select your Backplot Verify options. Under Stock Model, change it from Stock After Roughing to Stock After Machining All Pockets and select OK. Run your Backplot and Verify options. Again, to save time, I'm just going to run my Verify. To save time again, instead of selecting Play, I'll select End. To view the top of my part being cut out. Your part should look like this. If you select the play button, please note that you can also go back to your previous operation, back to the start, and adjust your speed here. Select the close button, come up to the very top, and toggle your toolpath display.